Hello guys, welcome to Mobilemaths with Kamchirai. Today we want us to look at matrices. So we have a couple of questions that we want to solve. First one, we want to find the value of n in this matrix that we have. So what we do, we've got 2 here. So we are going to multiply. This 2 is a scalar. We are going to multiply it inside the matrix, each number with 2 and get a value. Okay, let's do that. So I'll have n bracket 1, 2, 0. Then now multiplying with 2, our scalar there, we'll get 0. 2 by 0 we get 0. 2 by 1 we get 2. 2 by 3 we'll get 6. 2 by 5 we get 10 here. Then this is equal to the matrix that is on the right there, which is 3, 9, 8, 10. Okay, now having this, we are going to take this matrix to that side. Because it has got a positive sign here, it is going to be a minus that side. Let's do that. We have n 1, 1, 2, 0 is now equal to 3, 9, 8, 10, and minus that matrix that we are shifting to the right, 0, 6, 2, 10. Okay, like that. Now we are going to solve these two. Okay, so as we are going to be solving, we'll say 3 minus 0, we get a value. 8 minus 2, we get a value. That's how we are going to be doing this. Let's do that. So we'll have n 1, 1, 2, 0 is equal to, so I'll have 3 minus 0 at that end. Then I'll have 8 minus 2 that corner. Then here I'll have 9 minus 6 and 10 minus 10. Okay, let's solve that. We'll get n 1, 1, 2, 0 is equal to 3 minus 0, we get 3. 9 minus 6, we get 3. 8 minus 2, we get 6. And here we have a 0. Now we want to match this matrix here to this matrix that side. So we are going to factor out something. We have got a common factor, 3 there. 3 can go into all these numbers. Okay, so let's do that. We'll have, if I factor out 3, I'll have n 1, 1, 2, 0. Then here I've got 3, 1, 1, 2, 0. Okay, so even if you want to put back this 3, you have 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, you get 6, and so on. So at the end of the day, now I have got similar matrix. This one is similar to that. And when we have that, it means our n value there is equal to our n is equals to 3. Okay, so that's the answer there. Let's go on to the next matrix. Okay, so we are going to solve part A of the question. So we have 7m is equals to 3 minus 4, 0, 5, 1 plus minus 2, 6, 0, 4. Okay, now what we will do for this one, we will simply solve on the right side. Let's solve the right side first. Solving the right side, I will multiply first with the scalar. I'm going to multiply first with the scalar, 3 there. Okay, let's do that. I will have, this side I have 7m. I'll have 3 times minus 4, I'll get minus 12. 3 by 5, I'll get 15. 3 by 0, 0, and 3 here. Okay, so this is adding up with minus 2, 0, 6, 4. Okay, let's do that. Now we are going to add We'll do the same. This number will be added with this number, this one with this one, and so on. Okay, let's do that. So we have our 7m is equal to, so I'll have minus 12 plus minus 2. Okay, then I have 15 plus 6 that side. Then I have 0 plus 0 and 3 plus 4. Okay, let's simplify that. We will get minus 12 plus minus 2 there, we get minus 14. Okay, 15 plus 6, we get 21. Then here 0 and here 7. Okay, now I will divide to get my m. To get my m, this one, I can multiply by 1 over 7. By 1 over 7. Okay, so that on the left side, these 7s cancels off each other. Then on the right side, 7 will go into 14, into 21, and into 7. Let's do that. So when we do that, we'll get, on the left side, we have our m is now equal to 7 into minus 14, we get minus 2. 7 into 21, we get 3. 7 into 0, 0. 7 into 7, 1. Okay, so this becomes our M matrix. We are done. Let's look at the next question. Okay, this one, we have got M here, M there. Okay, so I can simply take this M that side and have my matrix as 9, 2, 1, 6 plus M is now equal to 3, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the sign of this matrix is now positive because it is going that side. Okay, so now I've taken that. I can now even take this matrix that side. This side, it was a positive, so this side is going to be a negative. Let's do that. We will have m plus m, we get 2m there, is now equal to 3, 6, 7, 8 minus 9, 2, 1, 6. Okay, like that. Now let's subtract our matrix, this one minus this one, and so on. Let's do that. We will have 2m is equal to 3 minus 9, 7 minus 1, 6 minus 2, 8 minus 6. Okay, like that. Let's simplify. We'll get 2m is equal to minus 6, 6, 4, and here we get a 2. Okay, like that. Then to get our m, we can multiply with minus half, with half there. Let's multiply with 1/2, with 1/2 this side also, so that 2 and 2 this side cancel off each other. Then 2 will go into minus 6, will go into 6, 4, and 2, like that. Let's do that. So we will have our m as, our m will become minus 3, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so this is the value of our m. Let's go to the next question. Okay, this one, we multiply our scalars inside the matrix. Okay, let's do that. For the first one, we have 5, 0, 10, minus 5, minus w, x, y, z. Okay, is equal to, this is equal to, this other side we have 9, 12, sorry, this is 12, minus 3, 7 by 3, we get 21. Okay, like that. Okay, now we have these numbers. What you can do at this point, you can now get the value of x and y if you want at this point. Or else what we can do, we can shift this matrix. This one goes that side and becomes a positive, and then this one goes this side and becomes a negative there. We can do that. Let's do that. We'll have 5, 0, 10, minus 5, then minus 9 minus 3, 12, 21. This is equal to WX, Y, Z. Okay, like that. At this point, we want to find our value of X. X is at this corner. So you will get your X value by taking the numbers that are on the same corner as X and also taking your sign like that. So for X, I will have 10 minus 12 is equal to X. Okay. Then let's solve it first. This becomes minus 2 is equal to X. So our X value is equal to minus 2. Okay, like that. Let's consider now the value of Y. Our Y is at this corner. So we will take numbers that are at the same corner, this one and the sign. Okay, like that. Let's take them. We'll have 0 minus 3 is equal to 9 to Y. Okay, let's solve that. 0 minus 3, this becomes 3. Okay, so our Y value is equal to 3. Okay, so that's how you get the values of X and Y. Let's do the last question. Just did the previous one. First of all, we multiply our scalar inside the matrix. Okay, so I'll have 3p, 15, 12, 24, okay, minus 2072 is equal to minus 10, 8, 12, 2q. Okay, like that. Now at this point, for us to get the value of p and q, you can simply do what we did. Number at the same corner, considering also the signs, is equals to minus 10. So I have 3p minus 2 is equal to minus 10. Okay, let's solve that one. We have 3p. This becomes 3p plus 2 is equal to minus 10. Okay, then 3p, taking our 2 to the right side, becomes minus 10 minus 2. Okay, so we have 3p is now equal to minus 12. We divide by 3 both sides. We get our p value as minus 4. Okay, so this is the value of our p. Let's do for our q. Our q is at this corner, so we'll take that one, the sign, this one, the sign, and this one. Okay, so we'll have 24 minus 2 is equal to 24 minus 2 is equal to 2q. Okay, 24 minus 2, we get 22 is equal to 2q. Okay, and if 2 by 2, we get our q as 11. Okay, so our q value there is equal to 11. So that's how you solve these questions, guys. Otherwise, bye bye.